Well, the overall market in the US is still quite nervous, I would say. I mean, there is this problem with First Republic Bank yesterday, another 20% decrease in the shares. This bank came from over $200 down to $5 in a couple of weeks. A huge bank run took place. And so the whole market is nervous. And for this reason, first of all, we have a look to the overall picture. And here we just quickly check the heat map from the S&P 500. Still, like yesterday, it's mainly red. Just the Amazons, Nvidia, and Microsoft and Meta, a little bit in green. But the whole market is nervous because, in a way, the banking crisis is back. For this reason, we quickly check the rate hike expectations, pretty much the same like yesterday. Really amazing, 75% of the market participants believe. We see another 25 base points increase on the 3rd of May. Me personally, I don't believe this. Let's check the Bitcoin. 28,963 live on a 4-hourly base. We saw yesterday an interesting drop. We were close to $30,000 and we dropped down to $2,000 in a couple of hours. But now we recovered. But I said it yesterday, we were totally overboard, over 70%, 75%. So this was a tactical reaction, I would say. For this reason, we first of all look at the market capitalization, and this is really nice. We still are on place 10 with Bitcoin, $562 billion on 1 gold and on 5 silver. So let's have a look to the big picture. And here again, 4 months in a row, green candles, very good. And RSI 51%, very healthy on a monthly base. And every day we wait to cross from the downside to the upside, the MACD, that's basically what it is. So, Bitcoin quite stable in the moment, really interesting, although there are the problems with the banks, at least with the regional banks. The same thing happens to gold. Gold stays over $2,000. Big brother for Bitcoin or little brother for Bitcoin, whatever. Anyway, looks like that people see safe haven in gold and Bitcoin. So now let's check the technical analysis. And for this reason, we start first of all with the Fear and Greed Index. We have a slight increase to 59%, so we are more in the greed zone. Well, for the last couple of months, 4 months, we see an increase in the sentiment. The heat map, that's the opposite from the S&P 500. It's BTC is green. The rest, by the way, the altcoins is also red, but BTC is quite stable. ETH, by the way, as well. Interesting is the dominance of Bitcoin, stable over 48% of the total market. Bear in mind there are 23,000 coins, and one coin is nearly 50% of the market. We are still future driven. Interesting to have a look now in the squeezes, liquidations and squeezes, and as I predicted it, really heavy what's take place here. Long squeezes, short squeezes. People get catched on the wrong foot. That's what it is. Let's check quickly the real deal Bitcoin loaded addresses. We have been at one stage at 46 million. We had this down period here. Obviously, it's going to improve. That's a good sign. Okie doke. Bitcoin Google Trends, not really interest in Bitcoin and no change on the countryside. Very important is here the volume. I said it every day. And this is good now because we are stable around about $29,000. Maybe you're moving to $30,000, we will see. And the volume is going up, so this is a good sign. And now we come, like always, to the technical trend indicators. Bollinger Bands. We moved to the middle line, and very interesting is that the MACD is not far away from having a bullish crossover from the downside. That's a very good sign. Just to explain, market goes in waves. You can see it very nice. By the way, go on this website. It's interactive. You can play by yourself. So you have red areas, green, red, green, red, green, red. Well, a green will follow most likely. RSI, quite good, 50%. Very healthy. This is on a daily basis. So momentum indicator says, yes, there is a good chance to get close to the 31,000 US dollar. That would be great. Cycle model, really match. Total match from the model to the real price. I see $76 speaks for the model. Really nice. Second model, more or less the same. So the average target from the two models for April 24 is still about $42,000, coming from now around about 29. Bitcoin Fibonacci retracement. I said it yesterday and it happened last night. We moved into the golden pocket of 61.8. Really good. If you manage to stay in this box, this is a very good base, maybe for a breakout to the upside. Long-term trend from Bitcoin and history. You see very nice the 4-year cycle. We are more or less in the end of a 4-year cycle. 11 months to go to the next halving point. You can play around by yourself. And finally, like always, we check the minor index. This is something new we established. And here you see miners made 100% since the bottom of 15,500. And the Bitcoin made 80%. So the mines, which is an alternative to buying Bitcoins, are doing 20% better. So you guys, I hope it was valuable information for you. It would be great to see you tomorrow again. Thanks and bye-bye.